Hey guys, so in today's video I want to focus on and demonstrate two products that I showed you in my last video. So if you watched my Dollar Tree haul video that I posted yesterday, that's what we're going to do today. So the only thing that I put on so far is my Hard Candy Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil in Crystal Clarity. It's almost gone. Now the next thing that I usually do is use my NYX Pro Fix Stick. So I am gonna do that next. My skin is a little more irritated than usual today because I used my watermelon sleeping mask last night, and that is exfoliating. It has fruit extracts in it. So it is a bit irritating, but it's not too bad. So I just put this on the areas that are irritated, and I also put a little bit on my finger and go under my eyes. And I do a little bit in the eye area to try to help with any discoloration that's there. Now this is a corrector, and I also use a concealer, but I'm going to do that after my base. But I like to go in with this first just to kind of help the next product. Okay, so this is one of the products that I really wanted to focus on in this video. This is the Candy Moyo BB Beauty Benefit Cream, and I found this in the shade Light. I had been searching for this in the light shade for a very long time because every time I go to Dollar Tree, the only thing they ever have is dark. They always have dark when I go, but they never have light. And I believe there is also a medium. Now, before I start with this, I have a question for you guys. I have seen variations in this over the years. I've seen this same product with everything the same except for the brand name over the years change. I've seen a Sassy and Chic version, which is a Dollar Tree brand we see all the time. And I've also seen something called New Color, Nucolor. So there are three variations of this product, and I think what happened was over the years they just kept either changing the brand name, or maybe one company bought the other company out. I don't know what's going on, but I've seen variations of this. So if anybody knows if Candy Moyo is the latest version or the newest version of this, let me know, because I'm not really sure. Because it took me so long to find this, I don't even know, in other words, if this is the newest version. I think it is because I'm seeing the Candy Moyo dark version all the time at the store. So I'm pretty sure that this is the latest version. But if anybody knows what the story is with that and why it kept changing names, let me know. But if you know anything about BB creams, they're usually very hydrating, and my skin has been super dry lately because I've been drinking too much tea, too much coffee, and not enough water. So that's on me. That's my fault. But this is so impressive for $1.25, you guys. So I'm going to put some on my Real Techniques buffing brush. But look at my skin now and then watch this. BB creams do not normally have any kind of decent coverage. But look at that. That's very nice. There is something about the finish of this that I really love, the way my skin looks after I apply this. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. And then I also want to take a little bit in the eye area, just to help with, veining discoloration, and it'll give us a base for our eyeshadow. So it's not like a huge amount of coverage, but I feel like it's just enough. And I really like the finish on this. I like the way my skin looks. And so this is when I would go in with my regular concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in number 110. And I like to just add a little bit of this over that corrector that we used and the BB cream. So yeah, my skin has been really, really dry lately, so I'm not going to use any kind of setting powder or anything like that and just aggravate the dryness. Now, I want the focus of this video to be on two products, the Candy Moyo BB cream and the Maybelline lipstick, well, one of the Maybelline lipsticks that I showed you in yesterday's video. So I'm going to shut the camera off and I'm going to do blush, highlighter, eyeshadow, mascara, my brows, all that stuff. We're going to come back and just do the lips. So be right back. Okay, so if you ever want to know any other products that I use in my videos that I don't show you on camera, they are always listed in the description box. So let's move on to the lips. So in yesterday's video, I showed you the Maybelline Green Edition Buttercream lipstick in the shade Eclectic. And this is a very deep plum. Very deep plum, okay? I absolutely love the formula of these lipsticks. I think they go on beautiful, I think they feel beautiful, and I think that they look beautiful on your lips. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Prune, which is a deep plum, and I'm going to line my lips. And then we're going to go in with this lipstick. I am so impressed with these lipsticks that I'm going to go to more Dollar Trees and see if I can find any of the colors that they didn't have at the Dollar Tree that I found these at. I think these are going to go real fast because these were originally around $8 retail when they launched about a year ago, and also because they're not really that old of a lipstick. I think they're going to go fast for a lot of reasons. So they give you the most beautiful finish. Now, I do have a lip oil on to start with, so that could factor into it, but I don't think so because these are just really moisturizing. So those are the two products that I really wanted to focus on today, was this lipstick and the BB cream. So if you know anything about those BB creams and why they kept changing the brand name on them over time, let me know in the comment section. I would genuinely like to know. I'm very curious about that. So there is one more thing I'm going to do before we end this is Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray, because I want to see what that is going to do to like my eyeshadows and my face highlighter and all that stuff. So let's see if this makes a difference. Get my trusty Dollar Tree fan out. Okay. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.